Hey, it's Charlotte from Luno. Let's talk about hardware wallets. A hardware wallet is a physical device that stores your crypto. The wallet is usually offline, only needs to be connected to the internet when it needs to be accessed. When the user wants to access the wallet and carry out a transaction, the device will also ask the user to confirm by physically entering a code or pressing a button on the device. Generally, hardware wallets make it more suited for users who have a deeper understanding of the crypto space. They're also mainly used by people looking to store larger amounts of cryptocurrency. Being offline gives it an extra layer of security against hackers, but this comes most with additional cost of the device and the risk that you might lose it, and all crypto with it. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you have more questions, please leave a comment below.